Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we are going to be doing a painting, and not just any painting. We're going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial. These have been a really fun trend, and I've been enjoying watching a bunch of people do these and do them sort of in their own style. Like Rosanna, she did this incredible painting with icing. So I was inspired to do one on the iPad. We're gonna be using Procreate today. I haven't really used this app very much, but recently in the past couple of weeks, I've been messing around with it so that I can be familiar with brushes and colors and kind of just know the interface a little bit. The tutorial that we're gonna do, this is the Bob Ross Ocean Sunset. This is season 10, episode 10. My grandmother's a painter, so she used to always make me do illustrations and paintings and stuff when I was younger, and we would watch Bob Ross together and do watercolors, and this is gonna be so much fun to do. I don't know what's gonna happen. I hope that it turns out well. I guess I'll stop talking. Let's start the tutorial.
Hey, glad to see you again today. You ready to do a fantastic seascape?
Bob,
Thought that's
I'm
what
not
we'd do
ready
today.
yet. I don't have my colors set up yet. Like, I've got a lot of things happening. Okay, so I need a gray. He's got a pause. I don't even know my colors. I don't have my brushes prepped or anything. I'm gonna do, I think in the painting, I'm probably gonna go with Artistic. Oh, a nice oil. It sounds great. Is that good? Is that what we want? I'm going off the screen. This is, I don't know if I'm doing a good job. Guess he's probably got some white, so I'll just throw in some of the white. Oh shoot, there we go. So now that he's getting into some yellow, and I'm not ready for that. Yellow here. I'm super into layers, so I will probably have a million layers. And this is the 1 terabyte iPad too, so I can pretty much make as many layers as I want. A little bit of red over here, he says. Horizon. Okay, well, Bob, his blending is way better than mine. Problem is, it's not quite accurate because I don't have the exact brushes that he has.
And beat the devil out of him.
Beat the devil out of
Okay.
him. Beating the devil out of my pencil. Looks like he's doing a little bit of purple-ish. So I'm gonna just do that as well. Oh, these are clouds. I think I might need a different brush. Like, I'm beating the crap out of my iPad. Very gently, he says. Oh, this is a nice brush. This is actually working out quite well. Some circular strokes. Super into circular strokes. This is actually really fun. Oh, mine doesn't quite look like that. I love doing like, ooh, that looks good. I am an artist. I am a freaking artist. It doesn't look that good. So don't get too excited.
Whoa.
But you can add like the overlay. I'm like, it's getting there. We've got some things to do. Just gotta add a little of my own flair because Bob, this iPad wasn't around when you were around. Okay, what are you doing now? You're putting some dark blue over there. Oh, that looks actually really good. I should get more into watercolor, but I don't know if I like that brush. That's the problem, is I don't know like what brushes to use. He's doing all kinds of things and I can't catch up. Oh gosh. We've made not much progress. He's still got a little there, and then he's got a little more here. All right, then we'll blend this. This is stressful. I don't know what it was like to be Bob Ross, but he's really good at his job. I was watching like some conspiracy theory Bob Ross videos the other day. I just don't know what to do. Fan brush.
You can add some little streakers.
Oh, some little streakers. Got a lot of little
Streaky
streakers. Super into it. He said we're making a big decision. I'm not ready. Draw this. We're doing. Oh, now we're doing the wave. We're getting into the wave. Like a this, and then a this, and then a that, and then a that. Okay. It looks like we've got that done. Phthalo green and seascapes. Okay, good to note. Everything he's doing he's a perfect man. What? A little footland? What color are you using? Purple? Like a purplish? We need darker. He's like, there's all kinds of things back here, but like, how do I make those things? We're gonna do another layer because I don't trust myself. We got one of those like that. Pretty happy with that. The best part about this is I don't even have to clean my brushes. I just do it. I guess I can zoom in and really get some detail. Where's Where's that layer at? Is this over here? Is that you? That is you. I'm finally figuring out what brushes to use, so this is all just really working out nicely. Except for this right here. This little piece is just bugging me. I have a lot more to do. We're 16 minutes and 34 seconds into the tutorial. This is where we're at so far. It's looking just okay. Now that I'm like figuring out my brushes and stuff, this is gonna make a big difference when I actually start working on this. Oh no, he's moved on. He's moved on. I haven't even done the last step. Oh, that's not a good brush. That's not the brush I need. That's not the brush I need. Is that what I want? I'm not sure. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in and really get in there. I think that's kind of what he was doing. Yellow? What? Why are you using that? Now I'm confused. I think I may have done a little too much. Like, what did you just do? Some foam. Okay. Okay, that looks bad. That looks bad. Just delete. Just delete everything. Bob, why does mine look like trash?
You want to keep this color as pure as you can.
What are you saying? You're saying a lot of things. Oh, look at that splash. Wow, Bob. I see what you're doing now. Yeah, but his looks better. No, you're going too fast. You're going too fast. We're not ready. This is so fun. Am I having a fun time? Okay, mine absolutely does not look like that. Absolutely not what I have going on here. I'm more of an abstract artist. I just can't work in these conditions. Now what do you want me to do? I'm panicking. Yellow, orange, and then some red. All right, now what? No, everything sucks. Oh, now you want some brown over there? Okay. So I've been working a little bit more on this. I'm starting to get frustrated. I think we've been filming for like an hour now. This tutorial is only 26 minutes, but I've been double that. But now that I've kind of developed some sort of style, I kind of want to go back and redo the sky layer. Hello?
Okay, it's kind of rainy out and I'm riding a bicycle, so I need to be a little bit more slower, so I apologize for the delay.
Oh, that's totally fine, no worries.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay,
I'll see you soon.
thank you, bye. So sky, so we're working on the sky a little bit. I'm just gonna kind of merge all of these things together so that I can really just, I'm not sure what I'm doing, but we're gonna duplicate this layer. Oh, wow, this just changed the game. So now we're gonna go in and just get a nice little something. Guys, this is gonna be something that you're gonna wanna print out. You're gonna wanna make it into a greeting card for your family. You're gonna be like, Mom, I made you something. Dad, look at this. Grandma, I made this for you. They're gonna be like, that's trash. Get this out of my house. That's trash. This just still looks better, but I am using an iPad, Bob. He's doing some more stuff. I've enjoyed it. Have you enjoyed it? I've had a lovely time. Oh, I need to add, okay, so I gotta add some highlights to these rocks because that's something that I did not do. I think I'm running low on ink. I keep getting Postmates notifications because basically that's, every time I shoot a video, it ends up just being me waiting for Postmates. Are they here yet? I just need that yellow to go away because it's something I'm not really that into. I think I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Like, I think that's just what it's gonna be. I'll try one more thing to salvage this. Because it looks like he did like something like all up in here. Now I've just ruined everything. I quit. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this layer. I'm just gonna forget that it even happened. This is what we're gonna deal with. This is my final piece. Let me sign it. I'm signing my name to it and I'm just gonna call it quits. There it is, my art. My art is done. I have completed my task. Okay, so I could probably do this for several more hours, but I need to stop myself. But let me show you what I have done. This is my final masterpiece in comparison to what Bob Ross has done. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like there's a lot more that I want to do to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really had a great time doing this. I did get a little bit frustrated at some point because I've never really used Procreate that much. So there was a bit of a learning curve, and if you guys have used it before, please leave some tips below. I would love to hear more from you guys. And if you'd like to see me do another video like this, let me know what you'd like to see me do. Leave those also in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit subscribe and like the video if you liked it. And if you didn't like it, just hit like anyway and just make my feelings feel better. Okay, bye. Bob Ross, you're a legend.